like this video just gonna be like a vlog style video, just showing you guys our morning routine or just like a day in our life, and also making you guys more carrot growth oil because we launched last night, I think around 10-11 o'clock, and today the next morning we only got 9 left in stock. I haven't even announced it to you guys, my YouTube video fans, yet. We haven't also sent it to our email list yet, which we have almost 4,000 subscribers on our email list. So that's not even out here. I'm not even going to try to do that because I don't want people to place their order and then I don't have the product to send to you guys. Our shipping is very good. A lot of people talk good about our shipping, so I don't want to ruin that. So what I'm gonna do, I already put a stop on the website. After the 7, the website gonna shut down, but we gonna work extra hours to have this back in stock. It will probably take us 3 to 4 days to make it and have it back in stock, so that's what we plan to do. But I'm short of the organic carrots because I use organic carrots, so I'm now going to head to Walmart with the girls, pick up some organic carrots. I also need to make, the weather is looking a little bit cool today, so I want to make a pot of soup with potatoes and meat and chicken. I'll probably show you guys that also. So I got a lot to do, and we just woke up. I got a message right now from our website maintenance people. I need to go and find out what's going on. And then, but yeah, so I'm taking you guys along. You guys will see me making your carrot growth for. I'm pretty sure by the time this video go up, we'll also sell that again. And yes, I have trust issues. I love to make these my ingredients myself because if I can hire a company to do it, but I'm not really sure they're gonna use organic, clean ingredients. I'm not really sure they're gonna, when I give them my recipe, are they gonna do it exactly how I want it done? That's my issues. I know some big YouTubers, they give their products to big manufacturing company to manufacture it for them. Even Natural 85, she does that. I'm pretty sure she found someone great that she can trust. So I just need to, I have many companies that want to work with me to create my products, but I still haven't decided yet. Another message again. Yeah, everybody on my back, guys. I still haven't decided yet to give it up to a company to make, but if we keep selling up like that, for me to be able to keep up with you guys, I will have to see what to do about that. But Aurora, say good morning.
Good morning.
Don't hide behind mommy. So I'm going to, oh sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay. Aww. So I'm going to moisturize her hair using our leave-in cream. She said I should leave her hair. Using our leave-in cream and our curl enhancing smoothie, and then I'm also going to go and re-braid Sonia hair,
Mommy.
and then we're gonna head to Walmart. Yes, baby. What is it? You give your back to the camera.
I am from Piaxis.
You what?
From Piaxis.
Okay. I don't know what she said. I don't understand what she. Alright, let's go. You go pick your outfit up for the day. Sonia, go pick up your outfit. I need to make the bed up.
Aurora picked up my outfit yesterday.
Yeah.
Pretty. Aurora, you gonna go pick up Cece outfit again today?
Yes.
Okay.
Really?
Okay then, you guys go get your outfit ready and get ready for the day. Let me make up the bed.
Okay.
Can you guys bring it? Let me see it first before you wear it. Just to make sure you guys not going out with me looking like. I know Aurora is a fashion diva. She will pick
Aurora
something.
made me wear a dress and a red thing around it.
I know. It looks pretty. Okay, you guys go get ready for the day.
Okay.
Ready for the day?
Yes.
How about Aurora?
She's not ready for the day.
Aurora? She didn't find her outfit that she want to wear?
She did, but she picked out this outfit.
She picked that up for you? It's pretty. Aurora! You dress your sister and you didn't get ready? Sister left here. Oh, you want mommy to get your clothes ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'll find your clothes today. So the kids are done with their breakfast. I'm now just going to have something to eat and then we will head out. I haven't cleaned the living room slash library section yet because there's a lot of junks in there and I'll probably do that tomorrow, not today. I'm just going to throw Aurora hair into a quick bun. I'm just going to refresh it first with this leave-in spray. And then after, I will just add in a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. A bit of the S Secrets Growth Oil, and we call it all day when it comes to full hair. But I still got a lot of things left to do. That's it. She's ready for the day. Family, so we are back from the store. The girls and myself. It's raining heavily out there, and the girls and I had to run in the rain to get to the car because I couldn't leave my kids at the door. I was like, it's better for you guys to get wet than for you guys to get missing. God forbid. I rebuke that. So we ran in the rain, got in the car. I put them in the car, and then I stayed in the rain to load the things into the car. So we are back. I just got everything laid out. I also pick up a few other stuff for the house just so I don't go out tomorrow or the day after because we'll be so busy making the carrot go forward. So let me show you exactly what I got. I'm using organic carrots. It is a little bit more expensive, but that's great. I don't mind because it's organic. Now I picked up all what they had. They said that I should come early in the morning if I want to get a lot of them. So that's what I would do. I would just talk to a local grocery store so they can supply it to us. And I can just go pick it up. So we got our organic carrots for the growth oil. I normally infuse the organic carrot, our bulldog root, our horsetail herb, and our organic aloe vera powder. That's the first stage. After that, then I normally go in and add the rest of our other powerful ingredients, which is our peach powder, our salt palmetto, our biotin powder, our essential oil, grapefruit, our rosemary essential oil, our vitamin E oil. I also go in with herbs and our hibiscus, dry hibiscus flower. So I also picked up some fruits and some other things for the girls. I go banana. The kids and I love that. And then I pick up some blackberries. I picked up some fresh tomatoes. I got some plums. Can you guess who picked this up? You already know, right? Aurora, without even asking. And then I got some chicken breasts and also some chicken tires. I got some potatoes. And then I pick up this for roast for dinner sometime in between the week. And then I picked up more cribs, sweet pepper, avocado, onions. Mm, these are the only few other things that we are shut off. So I just decided to pick them up so I don't have to go to the store every day. I'm now just going to put everything up, sanitize this whole place, and then I will start making our carrot grove, or and then I will also start making us some soup because the weather is so bad out there. Some hot chili soup will be nice. And Sonia also picked up this ball because she wants to learn to start playing, how you call it, kickball.
Because I'm terrible at kickball and we started playing in our school and I'm probably the worst player.
So she got her kickball. Yeah. I just checked the website and we are sold out. Less than 24 hours. Because we announced it last night around 10 o'clock or so. And now it is 3 o'clock. Before this video goes up on Wednesday, we will have some back in stock, or I'm personally making it now and it take a couple of days, but because of that I'm gonna work extra hours. I mean, we're gonna call for help. Wish me luck. But I'm making them now. It's almost ready. I will switch the website back on so people can place their order. But just in case if your order having shipped out within a day or two, please know I'm working extra hours to have your product shipped out to you. Please, 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 just have a little bit of patience with shipping. All those that order before it went out of stock, your order will be shipped out tomorrow. If you watch this video on Wednesday and you're going to now go and order, it will take you a couple of days before we can ship your product out, because I don't want to rush to make it. I want to go through the actual step and give it the time for the infusion. So just have a little bit of patience, but know that you will have your product, just not immediately, because personally we don't have any in stock. I'm now coming to make a new batch. So instead of me ranting and talking too much, I need to get to work and get this all done. Our soup is ready and it tastes so yummy. So the girls, myself and hubby, we're just going to do justice to this and then continue making the ori. Okay, family, so this is the next day. I'm done with the second section of making the ore. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to package it up for you guys at the laboratory. So I'm just going to play some music. Enjoy.